Welcome to Learning Loans. Today we will talk about Fair Practice Code. We have discussed this earlier also, but now RBI has come out with fresh guidance related to Fair Practice Code FPC on 29th of April 2024. In this, they have specified or highlighted one specific issue with reference to charging of interest. So all lenders, whether NBFC, bank, small finance bank, cooperative bank, housing finance company, applicable to everyone, and they need to take care of certain things which RBI has observed. Point number 1, RBI has observed that lenders are charging interest from the date of sanction or date of execution of documents or date when the funds are actually not given to the customer but only check is given to the customer. So as per RBI, the interest from the borrower should be charged from the date when the actual funding in borrower's account is done. Not from the date of sanction, not from the date of execution of check, not from the date of check given to the borrower, but when the actual fund transfer has happened. So interest can be charged only from the date when the funds are given to the borrower, not before that. So this practice has to be followed as per RBI guidelines. Second practice which RBI has observed is that in certain cases when the loan is done during the month time, means mid-month time, let us say you done loan on 10th or 12th or 18th of the month, then lenders are charging interest for the full month. That is also not allowed. Interest has to be charged only from the date of funding to the borrower's account. The full month interest cannot be or should not be charged. Third point, RBI has noticed that some lenders are charging 2 or 3 or 1, maybe some EMIs in advance from the borrowers, which means they are keeping some amount of the loan from the borrowers retained with them, but they are charging interest on the full amount. So here also RBI's observation is that the interest has to be charged only on the amount which is credited or which is given or which is funded to the borrower, not the amount which is retained by the lender. Hence, the interest has to be charged from the date when the funds are transferred to the borrower and also the amount which has been given to the borrower. So these are the fair practices which all the lenders are supposed to practice and implement. So these are the observations of RBI. All the lenders need to take care of these. So in this circular, RBI has specifically mentioned that any kind of unfair practices being adopted by any lender are not fair. They need to go back to their policy, they need to amend the policies, get them approved and implement, and inform this to all the borrowers. They need to put this fair practice code on their website, so all the borrowers should know that this is the fair practice being adopted by the lender. I'm sure all the lenders will notice it, take note of it and implement this. Thank you very much.